Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Are you looking for a new job? LinkedIn can help. LinkedIn is the most common professional networking site used by people who are looking for a new job. It is also the most common site used by recruiters trying to fill jobs. A recent survey found that 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates for their jobs. Most of us know that the profile is the most critical part of finding a job via LinkedIn. However, just posting your profile is not enough to secure that ideal job you're looking for. The goal of this class is to show you how to build your network and manage your job search, the other two critical factors in successfully finding a new position. You will learn how to find the right people and invite them to be part of your network. You'll learn how to use that network to get endorsements and recommendations to beef up your profile. Your network can also help you find and qualify potential positions. And finally, you will learn how to use the LinkedIn search capability to find jobs and even apply for jobs directly through LinkedIn. One learner stated, I never realized that my network was so important to my job search. So if you want to build your LinkedIn network and use LinkedIn for your job search, sign up for the class, connect with other people, and become part of our lifelong learning community here at Get Set Up.